Hello everyone, welcome. Let's solve for the value of x given this nice exponential equation, which is 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 48. So what is the value of x? So solution, we have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 48, okay? So you can see that 3 raised to power x is common. So we factor out 3 raised to power x so that we're going to have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 48. Okay. So you're going to have 3 raised to power x multiplying by 2. This is equal to 48. Okay. So we divide both signs by 2 so that we're going to have 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 24. All right. Now from here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we're going to have log 3 raised to power x. This is equal to log 24. Okay. But 24 can be expressed as 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now from here, you find that if you have log a raised to power b, this can be expressed as b log a. Okay. So let's apply this logarithmic property so that we're going to have x log 3. This is equal to log 24. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have seen that 24 is expressed as 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. We have x log 3. This is equal to log 8 multiplied by 3. Okay. So according to the logarithm properties, if you have log a multiplied by b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay. So from here, we're going to have x log 3. This is equal to log 8 plus log 3. Okay. So you divide both signs by log 3. Okay. By log 3. So that from here, you're going to have x is equal to 1 plus log 8 divided by log 3. Okay. So this is the value of x. So let's proceed. So we have x is equal to 1 plus log 8 divided by log 3. So which is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Okay. Now from here, x will be equal to 1 plus log 8 to base 3. So this is the value of x. Okay. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay. So remember, we end the equation as, if you recall, we end at 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 48. Okay. Which you can express as 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 24. Okay. So we substitute the value of x. In our case, here we have 3 raised to power. The value of x is 1 plus log 8 to base 3. Let's see if this will give us a value of 24. Okay. So as you can see, 3 raised to power 1 plus log 8 to base 3 is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can express as a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m. So let's use this property so that we're going to have 3 raised to power 1 multiplying by 3 raised to power log 8 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay. Now from here, you find that if you have b raised to power log a to base b, this is essentially supposed to give us a value of a. Okay. So let's use this logarithm property so that if you have 3 raised to power log 8 to base 3, this is supposed to give us a value of 8. Okay. So if you substitute back to equation, we're going to have 3. Okay. We substitute 3 raised to power log 8 to base 3 with 8. Okay. So this is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay. And as you can see, this is 3 times 8, which is equal to 24. Okay, which is equal to 24. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, so that means that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 8 to base 3, satisfies the equation. Okay, thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.